Hi, I'm Lauren. Welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Today we are going to be looking at the National Business Aviation Association's early summer show in New York. So we're going to get some really fun views of some private jets and get some information. I hope you enjoy. So we are here at the NBAA, and I'm just walking around to get a feel for what is available service-wise, and then we'll go into greater detail. Admittedly, there are so many different types of planes, seaplanes, Honda jets, helicopters, that I won't be able to show all of them. And if you are an aviation enthusiast, please do forgive any gaffes. I'm a lover of the field, but I'm also new. So it had just thunderstormed about an hour before I arrived. You can see the rain on the ground. My hems were soaked, but it was such a great day. Hello! Do you mind if I record you? So any bit of information you can give would be much appreciated.
Okay, and what kind of information do you want? About the cabin, about the airplane?
Well, the experience of the cabin, but the airplane, as far as distance, nautical miles, you know, all that good stuff. Anything,
Right.
basically.
Okay, so who would you?
I am Lauren, by the way.
Lauren? Lauren?
Nice to meet you, yes. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is, and I'll get you to have a look around, and you know, any questions I'll answer for sure. But it's the best.
Beautiful.
It's the best. It
I
really
mean,
is.
just the entry,
Yep.
the flooring.
In the galley. We don't call it the galley anymore.
Well, I mean, that's
Because it
because
really
once
is.
you have, you know, I mean, the sink is all,
We
you've
got
got
two
the,
ovens.
absolutely.
Each one's a shore
How
oven.
is that going to still be just together?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there you go.
You
There
know?
you go. Yeah.
All right, well, I look forward to being inside.
Yeah, for sure. And you know, as far as the airplane goes, range-wise, 7,500 nautical miles.
Okay.
That's up to 18 hours.
That is
So-
no joke.
Yeah, that pretty much
That's
everywhere
going
in
to
the
get
world.
you where you need to go,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Sydney, Detroit, I've done that. From here to Europe, anywhere in Europe,
Yeah.
no problem at all. No
Yeah.
problem. South Africa from here, no problem.
Just need I'm thinking, is there any refueling, like maybe the furthest distance?
Well, if we're going from here to Singapore, I would
Yeah,
stop.
that's like-
You know, I'd go from here to maybe Dubai, and then refuel and then carry on. But apart from that, you know, there's not too many places
Yeah.
you can't go without that.
Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I like the eyeliner so much.
Oh, thank you.
It really sets off the eyes.
Thank you. It's very kind of you.
And true. Very true. Okay, so this is a nice setup here. Alright, let's go. So we've got the galley, kitchen really, and storage. I mean, we've seen the Gulfstream situation. You know what to expect. It should look good.
Very interesting job. Stuff here. Yeah.
How tall are you? Do you mind if I record?
I'm 6'.
You're 6'1", and how do you feel headwise?
I feel fine.
I mean, he tiptoed. All right,
But you
cool.
have shoes on, so you're
Well,
taller.
these are flat, so it's
Oh,
like
you still got that much.
A little bit, yeah.
You got a good 6'3".
Because it feels comfortable, but I'm also not 6'1", so that's something you want to know about, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so this is this configuration, which you don't usually see. You have the television, and then seating area, which is kind of good because if you've got a presentation, then you're here and you are reviewing whatever placed on screen.
Just get, you know, test pilot that's hanging out over there.
The sleeves will fold out. This would finish it.
Good luck with that. All right.
There we go. Let's just have a look. So the sink is. There's this. That is where we've got the crew nice and set. This, I imagine, can connect, right?
Yes.
Nice to see you. Okay, so this, I guess, can be configured.
Yeah, it's crazy how they're.
So, there you go. Feeling of furnishing as opposed to just windows are experienced truly like windows. Do you know the height of the cabin?
Yeah, it's hard.
So everyone, I will give you take a screenshot.
You can take that with you.
We're going into what is configured to be there's quite a bit of storage here. So we are gonna go and check out the next thing up. Okay.
So you press the button about 2 seconds.
Lovely. And then you got instant preps. Even the sound just
Everything's
completely
quiet. Yeah.
amazing. And your name is? Marianne. Thank you.
No worry, you're pretty good.
Oh, the earrings are so good. And the nails.
Thank you.
Hello. Fashion. Hi there.
Hi there.
Is it possible to just get a glance at
You
that?
certainly may.
I mean, everything is so. Is this all Garmin or is this
This is Collins.
Collins? Okay. It's amazing. All right, Mr. Brown, we're seeing it. Guys, comment below. Do you want to be here? Yes, you do. That's not a question. Editing Lauren here, popping in to leave a quick message. There were a bunch of different jets and planes available here. There were Gulfstreams, Bombardier, helicopters, as well as a Boeing business jet. I was not able to get onto that because the line was just super long, but of course, the next opportunity. Okay, definitely. So where are we gonna wait first? There's a few private showings going on. Let's see. Where is it going on? I mean, I think we're already here. Let's do it. Okay, so here's the galley, but really it's just full-on kitchen at this point.
Just a couple minutes.
Okay, so I'm. Do you have another of those?
That's all I have. I'm sorry, but one of the girls might have something
In the.
in one of the other
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. So there's different areas, so you can kind of configure this to your liking. For me, it's good headroom, but I'm 5'8"-ish. Comfortable wingspan inside the cabin. So. All right, let me show you what I'm seeing. Okay, so I asked you all, what are we doing? What are we planning? Where are we going? Where are you taking this? Comment and let me know. So we're gonna move on to the next one, and I'm taking you with me. All right, let's go look at the cockpit. It is so fresh. there. Let me show you what I'm saying. So it is a demonstration, essentially. And let me just make sure I'm cleaning these. It's not yet built, it's kind of spec. But we love the finishes here. It's giving Japanese minimalism. Hello, gentlemen.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
You know, I don't know. I have to see what is Bill's doing a little sustainability thing too. So I
think the thing that's going to be really cool about this, though, is just that it feels more for the understated kind of minimalist. This works, and then obviously this will be storage or whatever in the end. And you know what that is. All right, so I do believe we saw either this one. I know we definitely saw the 700. This is the 400, not the full setup, but it's now moving to someone coming in for a landing. All right, so we're going to keep going through the rest of the cabin and see what the other sections are. Hello. I feel like I'm just seeing out and about. Been hopping from one to the other.
different configurations.
Individual seating, or if you want. Yeah, go ahead.
You can have up to 19.
I would love. Are you okay being recorded?
I'd rather not.
Oh, alright. Okay, so we have the lavatory here. And you know what that is. With storage, accessible. And I'll talk a little bit more about it when we get out. Travis, thank you very much. So this again was the area I was mentioning before. You end up with a really great presentation setup. So. Not a problem, not a problem. So that was, the sun is out now, thank goodness. Woo! Okay. So that, basically, if you are looking to get yourself, or your business, frankly, that's usually what you're doing, into a Gulfstream. They've got regional sales teams. They also have, just go online and you make it work. There is another one over there. I don't know if I want to. I mean, what am I saying? Of course I want to. But yeah, so they have a regional sales team. You can also go on the website and check it out. But
the point is, you never know where life takes you, so learn what you can. Always. So things like pretty much everything you see can be configured to your specifications, whether we're talking about how this is set up, whether it lays flat, as well as things like the leather, the colors, just everything. Seating location, what each functional area is, lavatory, so on. Okay, so we're just gonna walk right into the lavatory again. I mean, imagine if I was using the bathroom this many times, you guys. There you go. The door closes. I won't close it all the way, but sit here, and then let me show you the accessible. And depending on the size of aircraft, you'll have like the one shown earlier, there'll sometimes be the shower option, and then in others, you'll just have a really great, comfortable lavatory experience. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Hello again.
Oh, okay, so you contracted.
I do. I'm new on the contract side. I've been on the contract for the past 7
Oh,
years.
okay. Oh, yeah.
So I came over here because I really want to learn more about sculpture. Sure. I've been on my own. So that was G6. Okay. Oh, I'm so grateful the sun is out. And I have a hat.
Half an hour. And then you're going to fly.
You guys questions I got answers for you.
Listen, anything you want to say, I'm like,
So nice. Yes,
Here.
you want to see more?
This is a Canada RJ. So it's normally a 50-seater. And the seats are all in a 50-seater. But this is a
okay.
So they take
walking in, you don't know, and you're like, oh, I can kind of get that one from there. Do a little this and that.
Some of these come off
So
the
you get
assembly
value.
line, yeah. So they come off the assembly line like this was a big order.
Yeah.
A lot of them are retrofits. They're done in the airline industry, and this is the second market that one of these goes. And so it goes into the corporate world. It doesn't fly quite as much, but each one of these probably has about 80,000 hours working time designed for it, and then they start replacing parts and stuff like that.
Yeah. So you're usually going for like new engine is the big thing to swap up and keep everything fresh, or are you just doing the interiors for the engines really good when you are doing a retrofit?
Retrofit will probably do custom work based on where the customer
Yeah, so if they're like, I want a Rolls Royce engine. You're like, well, yeah, I mean, work it up, we'll do it.
Yeah, but usually not. Try to find parts that are made for this, which
That's brilliant.
are CFMs, but the main parts, stick with it. What do you do?
Work it too. Yeah,
Retrofitting?
no, I work in, you guys do not want to hear about my job. So this is about AI, and your name is?
Russ.
Russ. Okay, so Russ is going to talk to us his thoughts from his perspective, AI tech specifically, and yeah.
So at some point, just like when we used to have 3 and 4 pilots, and they slowly got rid of the flight engineer, and then they slowly got rid of the navigator out, and the whole industry was screaming that 2 pilots isn't enough. Like, this is when I started, when they were just transitioning over to 2 pilots instead of 4. And so now all the airplanes are designed for 2 pilots. So at some point, they're going to get rid of another one. It'll probably never be, completely automated. Maybe several hundred years from now.
Because the thing is, there's so much that cannot be predicted, and that's the thing that I always want to get people to understand. Like, AI works best when it's with you, not when it's against. I mean, so there is something really, really epic about. Yes, AI is revolutionary, but you still need that person. And it's just like, there's a lot of talk with like speech engine generators and art generators that are parts of AI. And people are saying, oh man, there's nothing for the artist. And you're just like, well, listen, an artist can much better curate an image via AI than the average person, because they're going to understand the brush strokes, they're going to understand, what the different styles are, the eras, and so on and so forth. It's the same thing with pilots who are saying, let's put this in, let's respond this way. If we're going to be dealing with, a surprise circumstance, which will never happen, but, it's a pilot with the experience with the time. That's how those things become the most effective response. That's my perspective.
Well, even the truck driving business, right? The 18-wheelers, they don't. I think some go completely automated, autonomous.
They're trying it.
Yeah, it's a little bit different some ground, right?
And it's got a lot of that goes wrong. You're like flying with somebody. Yeah.
Thanks.
But thank you so much. This
You're
was
very welcome.
absolutely a great
It was a
conversation.
pleasure. Absolutely.
And just tell your information with this plate.
Oh, so this is a Challenger 850, and it holds 19. It is a corporate style. It's traditionally a 50-seat airline configuration. It's been refurbished into 19 seats.
Very beautiful 19 seats.
And it's easy aircraft to fly from perspective. And it's wide, it's a relatively wide body, so people love it because of its width and its height and its stand up.
Okay, and so any extra information, I will put it down so you all can see.
Hey, what's up, bro? You have a couple minutes? just meeting with them right
So,
now.
oh,
We're
that's
gonna
the
do
luggage
like
right
proof
there.
of funds and all that other
Excuse
stuff
me.
in order to work on
Pairing
these.
those up, and so you and I will be going out. Oh, and here's a quick view of the galley.
I'm gonna have them bring me out.
So this is what we were just looking at, the calendar. How cute is this map? And then we've got a Honda Jet. Who doesn't love a Honda Jet? They're just so darn cute. You can hop from here to there. It's like getting in your car and just going a little fly. You know? Who doesn't love it? With the winglet and everything. It's just too cute. This is like, oh, I need to go to Virginia real quick and then come back. So everybody is waking up. So I hope you are enjoying it. So we've got the top here. Got a few. The fun part is when you hear the conversations and everyone's ready. They're like, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna buy this jet. You're about to get this thing. Money wired, blah, blah, blah. So is that gonna be you when you see this? Experimenter, so I can ratings and testing. So this is the field. This is the tarmac. This is a good day. For at least a snack. It's okay, it wasn't seen. It wasn't seen. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So thank goodness it's like sunny now. Ugh. It's just way too much before. Oh, I don't want to go this way. I want to go this way. Okay, so I'm back from the NBAA Expo convention, and I had a great time looking at the bombardier, seeing some of the Gulfstreams that were there, as well as getting a little view of Honda Jet and some really cool seaplanes, and I hope all of you enjoyed the experience. There's a whole lot more there if you're interested in aviation, like myself and the people in my circle, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this one, and I can't wait to see you in the next segment of what I love. And I'll see you. Be sure to go and subscribe to this channel and click that like button on this video, and be sure to share it with your friends. Comment below what was your favorite jet experience. If you could be on any of them, which one would you get? Which one would you use? Which one would you buy? And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, go and click on the next video right now. I will see you. Me and these wet jeans. It was a whole thunderstorm. I was like, am I even gonna go?